Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we're going to have two different mixtures. One is going to be made of HCl and sodium chloride, and the other one is going to be made from sodium chloride plus sodium hydroxide. And we're asked to provide an explanation of why these are not going to be buffers. So a buffer solution are going to contain a weak acid and its conjugate base. Present in solution. It needs to be the associated conjugate base to the weak acid. So for example, if we write down a weak acid as HA, then the conjugate base would be A minus. Why do we need to have this equilibrium? This is going to be because in buffers, what is going to happen is that the weak acid does not dissociate completely, which happens the same with weak bases. They are not going to dissociate completely into the solution. In this case, what we're going to have is that HCl is going to be a strong acid, which is going to dissociate completely. Sodium chloride, this is going to be a salt, which is going to contain sodium plus and Cl minus. We can look at Cl minus as a base, which with a conjugate acid, which would be HCl, but the conjugate base acid of Cl minus is going to be a strong acid. So this is not going to classify as a buffer solution. Similar, this is going to happen with the second one. We're going to have sodium hydroxide, which is going to be a strong base, which dissociates completely. So for that reason, this is not going to be a buffer. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.